Samantala, tiniyak naman ang pamahalaan ng pagsasagawa ng mga hakbangin upang iangat ang kalidad ng pamumuhay ng mga mamamayan kasabay ng patuloy na paglago ng ekonomiya. Ayon kay PCOO Secretary Sani Coloma, isa sa mga resulta nito ang pagbuhos ng pamumuhunan sa maraming industriya sa bansa na nagbibigay daan din sa maraming oportunidad at trabaho para sa mga Pilipino.
The President emphasizes, and I quote, "We recognize that we still have to do much more to ensure that growth benefits all Filipinos. We know that economic growth is essential, but we need to invest directly in health, education, and employment to enhance the power of growth to reduce poverty. That is why we are exerting every effort to ensure that the process of reducing inequality happens at a much faster rate, and that our programs and projects will have a much more palpable impact on people's lives."